Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bumble app not working on iPhone. Simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Switch between Wi-Fi and data or turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Bumble needs a stable connection to load properly. Step 2. Close and reopen Bumble. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Bumble, then swipe it up to close it completely. Then reopen the app and see if it's working. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary system glitch that can interfere with app like Bumble. Step 4. Check for app updates. First open the App Store, then search for Bumble. If update is available, then tap on update. Outdated version often cause crashes or loading problems. Step 5. Check iOS software update. First go to the settings, then general, then tap on software update. If an iOS update is available, install it. Bumble may not work correctly on older iOS version. Step 6. Check Bumble server status. Sometimes the issue isn't your phone. Bumble servers may be temporarily down. If that's the case, wait for a few minutes and try again. Step 7. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete Bumble from your phone, restart your phone, then reinstall it from the App Store and log back in. And that's how you can fix if Bumble app not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.